Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you how to register on this one, guys. I'm gonna show you how to register on this kind of platform. So let's come in, but I won't make the video long, guys, but it's straightforward to register as I told you on that introduction, guys. So we're gonna search teach me to, but guys, I'm gonna leave my link on my description for you to register, because a lot of people can come to you can go to your browser, but you don't like get the website. So I'm gonna leave the link on my description. Please, you will get the link on my description. So guys, as you can see, where do you live? Where do you currently live? South Africa. You can choose South Africa. Do you meet the minimum criteria for subject you'd like to tutor? And say yes. So do you have a reliable transport to travel to the learner, or do you have a stable enough internet connection to tutor online? Yes. So guys, so on this one, guys, you're gonna write your name, first name, and then I will leave like you're gonna write your first name and your last name and password, guys. That's it, guys, that's it. And then the step two is where, so now I'm not gonna leave my information here just because I'm already done registering. They're gonna need your ID, but the process is straightforward. You're gonna need like basic information that that you have, so that you can be eligible to get your job, guys. You can get a job, you can get a job. So what you're going to need, you're gonna need your passport or your ID number, and after that you're gonna create the video. When your application is done, you're gonna make a video, so that when they approve you, you will just give them the video, because after they approve you, they will need your video. They will need you to upload the video on this platform. So please make sure that you be there. You check your email each and every time, so that you can give them that video. So after that, they're gonna tell you that okay, now you are ready to go forward and start teaching on this platform. So guys, they go, so every day, guys, if you're going to work, you can make around like 120 each and every day, or 140, or it depends on the work that you do. Sometimes you can make even 200, guys, a day, or 250 a day. You can make that teaching. Or if you maybe you have a other job, you can do this as like as a side hustle, guys. You can do it as a side hustle. When you come back from work, maybe around when you are free, you can come on this one, just because the time that they need you on this one, like it's not limited, guys. It's not limited. So you can come back whenever you want, or if you don't want to teach, you just chill and chill. You just chill without doing anything on this kind of platform. So when you feel like coming back and teach, you can start and teach, guys. It's easy. They're not scheduling time for you here to work. You just come when you have time to work, guys, and get this paper. So guys, the spirit, guys, is to get the money, guys. The spirit is get the money. Just apply here and start earning this simple cash, guys. This one is a simple cash, just because, guys, they didn't need your degree. Please make sure you fill the platform very well, so that they can approve you more faster. So if you have a grade 12, baby, you're gonna make a lot of money, guys, on this one. So guys, thank you so much for showing interest on this particular video. I appreciate. If you're watching this video now, know that I love you, and I want you to make money on this kind of platform, guys. No, that's what I want, guys. That's what I want. That's why I created this channel. I want every one of you here in South Africa, or out of South Africa, to make this money, guys. To make this money, you can do this as a passive income, just because, guys, there's a lot of money here, guys. You can do this each and every day, to make sure that each and every month you make that kind of money that I'm talking about, guys. That's that's a lot of money, guys. That's a lot of money. If you can do this part-time, guys, yeah, maybe you can do this as part-time. You won't make a lot of money, but if you're gonna do this for full-time, guys, wow, that's going to be income for you, guys. You can benefit on this one, guys. I love you, guys. I will see you on the next video. I don't want to like waste your time. I don't want to, but I'm wishing a good luck for you, guys. I'm wishing a good luck for you. But if they come like they accept you, please come back on this video and comment, so that I'll know how many people that are accepted on this kind of platform. But if you are rejected, we can like solve that. You can just come again and tell me that you've been rejected after that 75 days, just because they're gonna send you an email whether they're gonna tell you approved, or declined. So it's easy. The steps, I think it's they have like 4 steps for on this application. I think it's 4 step or 5 steps that they're going to need, but it's straightforward. If you know how to read, you can basically answer the questions that they're going to ask you. So yeah, they're not going to give you they won't give you a task for you to qualify before they take you. They'll just need a video, guys. They just need your video. That's it. They're gonna need 30-second video. So but if you wanna be as like if you have more information, you can make the video to be 1 minute or 2 minutes, so that they can approve you fast, so that they know that you have the experience. Please make sure you edit your video very well, guys. Make sure you edit your video very well, so that guys they can like see that you really serious about this job. Please make sure this is like an interview, guys. That video is like an interview, but you're gonna maybe talk about yourself, like, yes, my name is what, and I want to teach on this platform. I would like if you can I can get approved on this platform, so that I can start working. So it's easy as that, and tell them like your experience in teaching, guys. But if you don't know even how to teach, but you have you you have good English, guys, so it's okay, you can come here and teach. But there are a lot of subjects that you can choose from to start working, guys. There are a lot of subjects that you can choose from, guys. Basically it's for everyone. If you want to you want to teach, you can come here and teach. That's so amazing. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. It's your boy TMK.